Welcome to another edition of AUVSI's Weekend Roundup, where we call your attention to some stories you might have missed, and as always, links are below, so be sure to check them out. Brian, why don't you start us off?
Okay, so this week, FedEx unveiled its autonomous delivery robot. With the robot, retailers will be able to deliver goods on the same day as customers order them to their houses or homes. Additionally, the city of Chula Vista, California has issued a request for expressions of interest that highlights different city-owned facilities around that different companies and businesses can use that are working on autonomous vehicles as well as UAS. Currently, the city is participating in the San Diego Regional Proving Grounds for Autonomous Vehicles as well as the FAA's UAS Integration Pilot Program. And finally, in North Carolina, Elizabeth City State University has announced plans to build a new drone training facility which will complement the university's new UAS bachelor degree program, which is expected to start this fall.
All right. We've got a few things that caught my eye. A company called DroneSeed is working with the Nature Conservancy to use drone swarms to help manage restoration of land in Oregon. Boeing has unveiled a new unmanned aircraft platform through its Boeing Australia subsidiary that will be available to international customers. And then on the team up front, Daimler and BMW have teamed to work on autonomous vehicle technology to help create, the ultimate driving machine or the ultimate self-driving machine. And Thales and Telstra are teaming to work on unmanned traffic management, which is a hot topic these days. And last but not least, CityAirbus, which is the flying taxi platform for aircraft maker Airbus, is slated to have its first flight this month in March. So that's what we have for you this week, and we hope to see you next week.